Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show UK 49 prediction for Friday 31st January 2025. Today lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 11, number 16, number 33, number 37, number 39, number 41. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 11, number 16, number 33, number 37, number 39, number 41. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 31, number 35, number 42, number 44, number 45, number 46. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 31, number 35, number 42, number 44, number 45, number 46. Now lunchtime bonus ball numbers: number 15 or number 22. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 15 or number 22. So friends, complete today lunchtime prediction numbers. Today time prediction for Friday 31st January 2025. Today time single prediction numbers: number 18 and number 29, number 31, number 34, number 45, number 47. Now tea time single prediction number repeat: number 18, number 29, and number 31, number 34, and number 45, and number 47. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 31, number 33, number 39, number 41, number 48, number 49. Today time second prediction number repeat: number 31, number 33, number 39, number 41, number 48, number 49. Now tea time bonus ball numbers: number 18 or number 28. Today time bonus ball number repeat: number 18 or number 28. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.